Albemarle Sound is a beautiful place. It's the largest freshwater sound in North America. It's the first time I've ever been here, and I will definitely come back. We're taking a group tour of Spruill Farm right now. We were supposed to have paddled here down Kendrick's Creek and ended up here at the farm, but due to high winds and choppy water on the sound, we just paddled 3 miles up Kendrick Creek and 3 miles back and ate lunch at Mackey's Ferry Marina, and then drove the short distance here to the farm, took a tour. There's camping here, place you can put your kayaks in. The owners let you pick whatever you want to. It's growing in the fields at whatever time of year you happen to come visit. Cypress trees, cypress knees. It's beautiful. Moss hanging from the trees is just spectacular. Beautiful day.